Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com, and this is the electrical exam prep question of the day. Let's get to it. Where could an overcurrent protective device be located and still comply with the rules? A. Directly above the first step of a basement stairway. B. Positioned directly over the middle step of a stairway. C. Above the last step leading up to an attic. Or D. Mounted on the landing in between the two flights of stairs. And the correct answer is D, or it could be. Let's take a look at the paraphrase code language. Overcurrent protective devices are prohibited from being placed directly above stairway steps, meaning that it's allowed to be on the landing in between if, right? There's always an if. If we still comply with all other parts of the code, meaning you have to have full workspace, you have to be able to get access to and egress from, has to be in a readily accessible location. But if all things being equal and true, I was coming from a basement, I went up a few set of steps, then I had a nice long landing, had plenty of workspace on both sides, was able to perform all the functions that I need to in 110.26 and other codes, I could legally put it right there on that landing. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.